Well, we've been in business for 20 years, celebrating our 20th birthday this year, so we've got quite a lot to offer. One of the first examples is what we implemented in 2006 already. That's in cooperation with our customers in Heilbronn, Hohenlohe-Hall in northern Baden-Württemberg, where the customers/passengers could use one smart card for e-ticket as e-ticket in the public transport, and at the same time for public services, and also in cooperation with the regional retailers get bonuses there. Another more recent example is the Polygo card. That's the result of a research project funded by the German government as part of their Showcase Electromobility, where 23 partners developed this multimodal card that offers you access to the public transport, but also to local car sharers and also urban services. For example, starting in May this year, you will be able to use this card for public service for the public library. Well, we have a couple more examples. For example, we also have we can demonstrate the use of regular off-the-shelf Android smartphones for ticketing, so for the customers themselves, but also for public transport providers that basically can use that for ticket inspection, but also for the bus driver to actually sell the ticket. So they don't have to buy expensive specialized hardware, but can use regular off-the-shelf Android smartphones and use them. And our solution in Luxembourg has won a prize in Dubai for being a leading e-government solution. And it's also, since Luxembourg is close to Germany and France, and there's a lot of commuters commuting into Luxembourg every day, they have the problem of having to be interoperable with the German standard, the so-called e-ticketing Deutschland, and also Calypso, the French standard. And we're already prepared for that. Present all of the current examples, and also in the field of planning optimization, we have our solution Plan B. That's also available as a software as a service model now. That's a very new thing for us. So basically, you usually only once a year need to optimize and plan your whole network, and it takes a lot of computing power. So usually you had to buy a computer that's pretty large and expensive to do all the optimization. And now, using software as a service, you can just flexibly book that for that weekend or something, have all the computation done, and then you don't have to purchase the whole computer and everything. And we're also using that with our customer Berlin Linienbus for long distance, because that's a pretty growing market in Central Europe right now, long distance bus companies. Yeah, our Plan B is, well, better than most people's Plan A, I guess. But basically what it does is it's our software solution for planning and optimization. And we're very excited to be able to present optimization as a service at IT Trans. So usually you do optimization maybe once, maybe twice a year. And you used to need to buy an expensive supercomputer to do the optimization. That's used once or twice in a year, and the rest of the time is basically idling away. While using optimization as a service, you can just flexibly book computing capacity, do the optimization, and once you don't need it anymore, you don't pay for it anymore. And we're also demonstrating the use of our Plan B for long-distance bus companies. Our customer Berlin Linienbus is using the software to allow their network to, I think, double or triple this year alone. So as you can see, the long-distance market is really growing in Central Europe, and we're helping our customers manage that growth.